With interest rising, choosing the right keyboard often comes down to factors like switch type, build quality, layout, and overall value. In this guide, we evaluate those same principles: precision, build, performance, and cost-effectiveness when selecting the best tile saws for DIYers, remodelers, and professional contractors seeking clean, accurate tile cuts.
List number 1. SKIL 7-inch wet tile saw 3540-02. The SKIL 3540-02 is one of the most popular entry-level tile saws for homeowners and DIY remodelers. Its compact size, affordability, and accurate cutting ability make it perfect for small to mid-sized tile projects, including bathrooms, kitchens, and backsplashes. The corrosion-resistant stainless steel top is a strong highlight, providing durability while offering plenty of support for tiles up to 12 by 12 inches. Powered by a 3.5 amp motor, the 3540-02 delivers enough torque to cut ceramic, porcelain, stone, and masonry tiles efficiently. Its adjustable rip fence with a miter gauge ensures consistent straight cuts, and the bevel angle option, 0 to 45 degrees, gives you the freedom to create more decorative or complex shapes. While it's not intended for heavy commercial use, it excels in precision and ease of handling for home renovation needs. The water reservoir system helps minimize dust and cool the blade during cutting, although it's a bit less advanced than Skill's Hydrolock feature found in higher tier models. Still, for the price, the SKIL 3540-02 offers impressive value and reliability. It's an excellent pick for beginners who need a dependable, easy-to-use wet tile saw without jumping into pro-level price ranges. Number 2. Skill 3550-02 7-inch wet tile saw with Hydrolock water containment system. The SKIL 3550-02 takes everything users love about the 3540-02 and upgrades it with the powerful Hydrolock water containment system. This innovative design minimizes water splash significantly, making it ideal for indoor cutting or areas where cleanup is a concern. If you work in tight spaces or frequently move between job sites, the reduced water mess is a major advantage. The aluminum tabletop is lightweight yet sturdy, offering better portability and corrosion resistance. This saw accommodates larger tiles than the 3540-02 and cuts accurately thanks to its upgraded alignment guides. Its 5-amp motor provides noticeably stronger cutting power for tough porcelain or thick ceramic tiles. The beveling ability, 0 to 45 degrees, remains a standout feature, giving users more cutting versatility for decorative and corner cuts. Because water containment is so effective, users often report cleaner lines and longer blade life. List number 3. Porter Cable Tile Saw. Porter Cable's tabletop tile saw appeals to professional contractors and serious DIYers who need consistent power, accuracy, and reliable water management. Its standout sliding table system allows you to move the tiles smoothly across the blade, producing extremely precise cuts with less human error. This is especially beneficial when working with larger tiles or intricate layouts. Its integrated water tray efficiently controls dust and cools the blade, while its compact design makes transportation simple. The splash guard layout helps keep water contained for a cleaner workspace. Its 6.5 amp motor provides excellent torque, allowing the saw to handle porcelain, ceramic, marble, and stone with ease. Another advantage is the saw's onboard miter square, which improves measurement accuracy and speeds up repeat cuts. For users upgrading from a basic wet saw, the Porter Cable option offers a noticeable boost in power and consistency. Although slightly more expensive than DIY-focused models, its performance and accuracy justify the investment. It's an ideal pick for bathroom remodels, flooring projects, and contractors who need dependable straight and diagonal cuts daily. List number 4. 4-inch handheld AC tile saw. A 4-inch handheld AC tile saw is the perfect solution for users who need maximum portability and control. Unlike tabletop wet saws, this handheld model excels in situations where maneuverability is key, cutting tiles already installed on walls, shaping curved cuts, and working in tight or awkward spots. Powered by a strong AC motor, this compact tool can cut through ceramic, porcelain, granite, and marble tiles with impressive speed. Many models include a water feed attachment or can be paired with an external water source, helping cool the blade and reduce dust. The adjustable depth settings give you precise control for plunge cuts, making it a versatile tool for complex tile layouts or electrical cutouts. What users appreciate most is freedom of movement. You're not limited by a tabletop surface or fence system. However, this also means accuracy relies heavily on operator skill. Handheld tile saws are noisier and create more dust when used dry, so proper safety gear is essential.
List number 5. DeWalt Wet Tile Saw. DeWalt's wet tile saws are widely considered the gold standard for professionals seeking durability, precision, and long-term reliability. Their powerful motors, strong water management systems, and rugged construction make them ideal for high-volume job sites. One of the top features is the stainless steel rail system that ensures extremely accurate, straight cuts, a must when handling large format porcelain or stone tiles. The integrated cantilevering cart system is one of DeWalt's biggest advantages, offering smooth, predictable movement during cuts. This results in cleaner edges and fewer broken tiles. The saw's plunge cutting ability adds tremendous versatility for outlets, corners, or detailed shapes. DeWalt's water containment design minimizes overspray while delivering consistent blade cooling. Professional contractors appreciate its long-lasting pumps, high torque motors, and excellent alignment system. The saw can handle stone, porcelain, marble, and heavy ceramic materials with ease and accuracy.